How to change bank account on Cash App and switch linked bank accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually change bank account on Cash App and then switch those linked bank accounts. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change bank account on Cash App, it's very simple because all you have to do is just launch the Cash App on your phone. Then once you launch the Cash App, you'll basically see this type of interface where you have to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the profile icon, you will see this type of interface where you need to go to the option that says linked banks over here. So once you tap on the linked banks option, you will see this type of interface that says link debit card. So if you have already linked it, you'll find all those banks over here. When you tap on that bank at the bottom, you'd enable options such as replace debit card, replace bank, or debit card, or remove bank. So since you want to change it, you can just tap on the replace button. You can enter the new card details and the new bank details that you want to use, because in my case I have not yet added any. I could just tap on the link debit card, I can add a bank card, and I should be able to replace them respectively. This is simply how you can switch and change the linked bank accounts on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.